Hey everyone, welcome back to Polar Bear and the Otter Stories. Today, me and Alice have another episode of Conversational English. What's the topic today, Alice?
Oh, it's all about introduction and icebreaker.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Hey, you must be new.
Yeah, today's my first day. I'm Jamie.
Nice to meet you, Jamie. I'm Alex. I've been around here a bit, kind of like your unofficial welcome wagon.
Thanks, I'm still trying to get my bearings.
Totally normal. This place feels like a maze for the first week. Need help with anything?
I think I'm good for now, but do you know the Wi-Fi password?
Yes, the password is 5 letters. Still doesn't make sense. I will write it down for you.
I appreciate that.
Important question. What's your favorite snack?
Probably sour gummy worms. I don't know why they just hit the spot.
Elite choice. We've got a snack drawer in the kitchen, but now I feel like we need to upgrade. I'm a popcorn person myself.
Popcorn's great, especially movie popcorn.
Speaking of, do you watch a lot of movies?
I love movies, all kinds really, but mostly sci-fi or thrillers. What about you?
All kinds, but I've got a soft spot for goofy comedies like The Dumber the Better.
Sometimes those are best.
Oh my god, you have to. It's like sci-fi meets comedy gold. I'll make you a list.
Oh, wow, thank you. I'm down.
So where are you from, by the way?
I moved here from Colorado, small town, lots of snow.
I'm local, born and raised about 20 minutes from here. I complain about the city, but I kinda love it.
It's definitely busier than where I'm from.
Sure, but you will get used to it. And hey, if you ever want to explore and need someone to hang with at lunch, I'm just 2 desks away
Thanks, Alex. That's really nice of you.
anytime. We were all new one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below for any suggestions and recommendations. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.